How to block all incoming calls on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Focus option and tap on it. Tap on the plus icon on the top right corner. From the list, select Custom to create your own focus. Now, type in a name for your focus. For example, block all calls. Then, choose a color and an icon for this focus and tap Next at the bottom. On this page, tap on Customize Focus to proceed. Under Silence Notifications, tap on Choose People. Customize your selection and then tap on Next. On the next screen, keep the option Allowed People Only selected. After that, tap on Done at the top right. Now, swipe down from the top right to open the Control Center and turn on your new focus. Following these steps, you can easily block all incoming calls on an iPhone.